It's currently Wednesday evening and I decided I should start packing because in 4 or 5 days, my dad and I will drive my stuff down to my new little home. The situation is quite dire over here, but yeah, I'm trying my best. I feel like the hardest part about this right now is just that everything's so messy and that I have to kind of like sort through things and also not just like take everything and throw it, but kind of like have a system so I don't have like a fucking huge like task when I start unpacking again. I was really excited about this, but now I'm like, ugh. I just started listening to a new audiobook and it's Educated by Tara Westover. A friend of mine read the book and she kind of liked it, but it's a bit thick on the slower beat, so I thought it would be the perfect time to listen to it because, you know.
By the end of winter, several dozen. In the spring, she told my father she'd had enough, that she could deliver a baby if she had to, if it was the end of the world. Now she could stop. Dad's face sank when she said this. He reminded her that this was God's will, that it would bless our family. You need to be a midwife, he said.
Good morning and welcome to me packing my whole life into boxes and moving to my new home. Yeah, I just started packing yesterday and it's proven to be a ginormous effort. Like, I have no idea how I've amassed such amounts of clothing in the past 4 years, but yeah.
It's probably the first time in his whole life that Luke doesn't do something when Dad is telling him to. Luke is fast, but Dad is smart. He takes a shortcut through a pyramid of cars and tackles Luke, slamming him to the ground. I can't picture what happens next because nobody ever told me how Dad put out the fire on Luke's leg.
This is the current state of my room and it's so dire. It's just, oh, like there's just so much trash everywhere and I feel like I'm so slow with sorting through this. I have finished up 4, 5, 6 boxes and 1 suitcase. Yeah. It's getting so exhausting. I've been thinking about going to the gym just because I haven't left the house and have not done like anything else besides packing for like, I don't know, the past 24 hours. So yeah. Also, I think you can tell I've gotten really bad allergies from all the dust that's been like coming up. And I've been taking my allergy medicine like all day long, but it just doesn't go away. So yeah, that's just not fun. But I'm excited too. Like, I'm excited to get to my apartment and I partnered up with Emma for this video because I got to know them through my boyfriend, because last year when he moved into his new apartment, he got himself an Emma mattress. They're a mattress company and I really loved sleeping in his bed and just enjoyed the mattress overall. I actually preferred it over the one I had, so I thought, okay, I'm gonna move. This is the perfect time to get a new mattress. So yeah, I reached out to them and I'm super glad that we're doing this because she is gorgeous. She's very huge. I don't know why I decided to get such a big mattress, but I think it's gonna be fine. It arrived 2 days ago in the mail, and what's really cool about Emma is that they have free shipping and they bring it right to your door, so I'm pretty high up in this building, so you know, mattresses are super heavy, and there's a lot of discounts that are going on right now, and one of them is that until the 28th of November, they have 33% on all of their products, so you have like, you know, a few weeks to choose something if you want that. And I also have a promo code that's gonna be available for 6 months in Germany, Switzerland, and Austria, and it's Valentina Sleeps. I'm gonna put it also right down here, and you can combine them. So that's an extra 5% you get off on top. So yeah, if you're moving, if you just want a new, better mattress, because the mattress I had before that was secondhand. It was by an old friend and it had been used for years and years. It was so terrible already. So I'm very excited that now I have this beautiful mattress. I think like mattresses are kind of like a piece that's like good to invest in also in your early 20s because it's definitely gonna last. And I'm glad I'm, you know, growing up, having my own mattress. You can also try out your Emma mattress for 100 days and yeah, sleep on it risk-free, return it. Just try how it feels, and if you're not looking for a mattress, there's also pillows and other like bed accessories that you would need for good quality sleep.
Way more of a creature than any of those man. Who knows? Number 2, the one slur hit Tumblr. Like, I'm gonna go out on a limb and say this does not hold earth-shattering sex appeal to most people. But the stars had just still, to be honest, we are sending down from characters who are something so on with tiny people's dream band. Like, you don't need to alter his proportions. It's just like extremely.
It is the last day before I'm actually moving. It's Sunday evening and Oscar had a DJ gig yesterday. His set was the closing set at 6 a.m. So we got home at like 8 a.m. or something. We kind of just like slept through the day, and my dad, he's gonna be here in an hour. And I'm kind of a bit scared because like he's like, yeah, when I get there, everything has to be ready. And like everything is ready, but like not really. Like, do you know what I mean? Like it's still, it doesn't look ready, but it's kind of ready. So yeah, Oscar just ordered some food, and in the next hour while my dad is coming, arriving, approaching, I'm gonna kind of like finish everything up and yeah. Good morning. It's 7:30 a.m. and I don't know why I said yes to my dad saying we will start at 7:30. It was not my finest hour, but I don't want to get up, I don't want to start, I don't want to start carrying stuff. But give me like an hour and I will be mentally up and running. Or something. Ja, sind meine Stulpen unter den Kissen.
Komm, ich sag, was?
Meine Stulpen waren da. We're fully done. The car is packed and I'm getting excited, like hyper wow. Like I'm really just I'm just going to my car to get a little adapter for like the cigarette thing in the car. Either way, I can't believe it's happening. I can't believe we're going. Oscar and obviously my dad, but mostly like Oscar, they have never been to my new home. not just the apartment, but not even the little city. And I'm excited to show them, even though I don't think we're gonna have time for any kind of, you know, showcasing or little touring around. God, where's my charger? We're almost there. It's now 2 p.m. and we're gonna get the keys at 3, so we're actually kind of early. And I'm gonna show my dad and Oscar my university because we're passing it in like 10 minutes. Ja, das war eine Uni.
So, wir sind hier. Wo ist die Vorlesung?
It's so pretty.
Ja, wir telefonieren.
Yeah. This is my new university. So we just got here. And yeah, it's... I kind of don't even want to bring stuff in because I'm gonna like soak it all up, stay here for like 4 days and kind of like get ideas for what I want to do with everything. But first I have to show you which apartment I chose. Maybe you can already tell. I don't think you can. Let me give you a little tour. So once you get in, here's the first little room, and it's the smallest one, but it's also way bigger than I remembered it. I'm probably gonna put my closet here and like a little office space or something. And then here comes the bathroom. And then next is my bedroom. It's so big. Then on this side is the kitchen. Obviously there's no kitchen in there yet, and now we're going upstairs. Hello, Oscar. Let me surpass you. Going up the stairs. Look how much light there is right now because the sun, I think it's not gonna set soon, but like soonish. And this is the attic living room with the terrace. I love these pillars. They're so pretty. And wait, we're going out to the balcony in a second. I think I'm gonna put my couch like right here and build like a huge bookcase. I'm just gonna store all my books and maybe like a desk somewhere here. Probably my favorite part about this. I want to build like a little bed situation, like an outdoor bed, and like a table so I can write here and read and chill there and cuddle you. We're struggling. Everybody's getting a little pissed right now, but it's just really hot and exhausting, so I'm not complaining. I mean, they're helping me, so. So this was it. It was a pretty chaotic vlog. It was a pretty chaotic day. I'm right now filming this a little bit later. I moved a few weeks ago and then I was still doing a lot of stuff in Berlin. I had to go back and forth. I visited some friends. And now it's my first week of uni, which is gonna be my next vlog. I'm gonna vlog everything about university. My apartment still doesn't look like I moved in. It's quite unfortunate, but my dad is coming today. He's already like on his way. He said he was gonna be here in like 20 minutes. and we're gonna build some furniture. We're gonna go to like furniture stores. We're just gonna get stuff and get stuff done. So I'm hoping that in like the next 3 weeks this will look like a real apartment and not just this blob. But I'm pretty positive, and I think it's gonna turn out very, very well. So far I've been loving living here. It's only been a week. I cannot tell you a lot, but everything I've experienced, everything I've felt is so positive. I'm so much happier than I am in Berlin, and that's a wow. I mean, that's the beginning, but I don't think anything's gonna change. So I'm glad I made this decision, and yeah, I'm proud of myself for really stepping out of my comfort zone with this one. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you're excited for future uni vlogs, because it's very crazy what we're doing and I want to talk to you guys about it. So